Hey creative minds, so today we are going to be making a pair of earrings using this wire. Okay guys, let's see how the magic is. So guys, we're going to be using these beads. Okay, you see this lovely beads. We're going to be using three kinds of beads. So one is like that, and then the other one, we have the smaller ones. There are two types of colors. Okay, so guys, and we're going to be using this, our special, so you guys know. For today guys, we're going to be using this earring hook. You know guys, I told you guys that there are different earring hook. You can feel free to use the one you want. I'm using this one, and then we're going to be using, I'm not using the stopper, I'm using the body. This is our jump spring, yay! And then this is our tools. You know, I told you cannot make anything be without these tools. Okay, so guys, let's get started. Let us get started on this magic, guys. You see that this wire is thick. This particular wire I'm using is thick, and then we're going to be using this bottle. For some reason, my siblings, they misplaced my stuff, my wooden stick that I used to measure these things, but I just had to use this one, you know, improvise and all of that. So we're going to be taking it around like this. Okay, I'm going to give you a closer view. You're going to be taking it around like this, you know, just to measure it. We'll just want to make a round shaped earring. All right, something nice, something incredible, something that is so lovely and beautiful. Okay, we're going to use it like this. We're going to just take it round, just take it round. The essence of this is to get the round, you know, the round shape of this earring. Okay, the moment you take it round, and then it has given us the shape and the size we literally want, we're just going to cut it. Okay, this is it. All right, this is it. And then you're going to do two of this. All right, so you're going to do two of this the same way you did this one, this first one. You're going to do the second one for the second earring. Okay, you're just going to cut it as easily with your cutter. I told you this cutter can cut anything, guys. You see why I told you guys to get these tools, because you literally use these tools for everything. So this is what you're going to do. All right, so you see right here, I have cut the two. All right, for my two earring, because obviously you cannot wear one earring, you need to do the two pairs, okay, of earring. All right, so guys, this is it. So you see exactly the same size. So the next thing we're going to do is that we are going for the kind of earring we'll make. It's a very simple earring, but it's very lovely, guys. Wait for the end result. And then you're going to put this bigger bead inside of it, then you're going to cut it. Now guys, one thing you want to do is that you want to take the two, because you're making two pairs of earrings, you're going to take the two. Okay, you take the two. I will show you guys something here. You take the two, right, and then you measure it first of all, and then you cut it the same way so you don't make mistake. This one that I've put first, don't do it like this. Okay, I'm just trying to show you guys, do not exhibit it like this. Okay, I'm trying to show you guys. Now when you put it two, you try to measure it. Okay, measure it so that you know where to cut it. Okay, so guys, if you're still watching till this time, please make sure to like, comment on this video and subscribe to this channel, because over here we'll make lovely videos and teach you how to do stuff. My creative mind, you know what to do. Okay, so guys, you're going to cut it so for it to have the same length. All right, because you know you're going to be turning it with your round nose pliers, so you need to give space. You're going to cut it like this. Why? Because you don't need all of those things. If you're putting more than one bead, one of this bead here, you can do yours like that, but I'm just using just this bead, and I don't want to add any other one. And then we're going to use our round nose plier to bend it back, and then take the tip and bend it back. I have showed you guys this before in previous videos, so you guys should know how to do this by now. Okay, now we're going to bend it back. Now this one, we are going to like bend it. We're going to close it. We're going to close this loop. We're literally going to close this loop. Okay, because what we're doing is different. We're not going to be adding jump spring. Well, literally we're going to close it. Now we close it. This is what it looks like. You can see I'm done doing the two, guys. So this is what it looks like. So the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to do the same loop here. Take it back just the same way you did that's one. Take it back and then bring it back again. All right, because we're trying to secure the end point so that no bead is going to fall off. Do you understand me? It's the same way you create loop, you create loop the same way, just like what I did with that bead right now. It's the same thing I did here. All right, the reason why I'm doing this so that no bead will fall down as we're doing the bead. So what we want to do is that the other side, you're not going to put any loop for now. Now that other side is to hold it. Now we're going to start putting our beads. Now what you're going to do, this is a very simple strategy. Okay, you're going to start putting the bead of your choice one after the other. Right now, you know, I have like two colors. You know, I have that big bead and two colors of this small bead. So I'm making a design. So I'll be putting the design I'm going to make. I'll be putting one light blue, and the green I'll be putting 4 of it. Okay, that is the design I want to do. Feel free to do your own design. If you're still watching to this point, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, you can see the colors as I'm putting it. Just put it one after the other, just like that. Okay, we're going to be putting it till we'll make our way to the middle. All right, that's how we're going to be putting it till we'll get to the middle. So I'm putting 1 of the blue and 4 of the green. 1 blue, 4 of the green. Now we have put it up to this point. Now it's at the middle. Now we want to make sure we put that our big, you know, bead. You put the big wood and you adjust it, guys. Make sure as you are doing this, you are counting what you are doing, because you're going to do the same with the other earring. Okay, now guys, you want to make sure that when you're putting this thing, is not past the middle. You need to know your measurement. Okay, you see, so I'm going to do the same thing at the other side. The same way I did this side, sorry, I'm going to do this other side. All right, I'm going to start putting it the same way, just the same way, putting it 1 blue, 2, 4 green. Okay, I'm still going to do it this same way, so it's going to look similar, guys. This is just a simple earring, and this you can sell for a good amount, you know. So guys, we've gotten to the end point. Now we're going to do our loop, the same loop we did for the first one while we're doing that earring. The same loop we'll do. We're going to do our loop just the same way, guys, the same way. See, it's from the end, you take it back the same way. All right, the same way you're going to do the loop. Okay, you're going to do the loop, put the loop, and then close it. You're going to just close it like that. All right, so guys, we are almost done with our earrings. We're almost done. You guys see that it's coming out very beautiful right now, right? It's coming out very beautiful right now, unique and classic. This is a new design I'm actually making. All right, this is a new design I'm actually making. So now we're going to take our jump spring, and then we're going to open it up, because we want to close up the earrings. How, of course, are we going to put the earring hook? We need to use our jump spring, our superhero. All right, so we'll open our jump spring, and then we'll put it, you put it inside the first loop, and then you put inside the second one, and then what you want to do at this point is to close it. Okay, you close your jump spring. After putting your jump spring just like that, what you want to do, you see, you just put it from one side to the other, and then what you want to do is that you want to just close your jump spring the same way I have taught you all along. Just close it with your chain nose plier. You close it, and then you see what it looks like. Now look at what we are having. We've closed that end part. You see how the shape has come outside. Are you seeing it, guys? Are you seeing it? It's already looking pretty. So the next thing you want to do is you want to carry another jump spring. Now there are 2 ways of doing this particular earring. On another video, okay, I'm going to be showing you guys the next way. Okay, but we're going to be using a softer wire. All right, so guys, you're going to open the jump spring the same way. You open it up with your 2 pliers. Okay, if you're still watching to this point, make sure you like, comment, okay, and subscribe. And then you're going to put it inside. You put it inside the other jump spring, and then you're going to put your earring hook. Okay, the moment you put this jump spring, that other one was to add it together. You put the second jump spring, and then you put your earring hook, and then you close your jump spring after putting your earring hook, guys, and see what we have. You're just going to take that hook and put it behind, and your earring is ready. You see, guys, let's do the second one, and let me show you guys. Guys, look at this beauty. See how beautiful this is looking? And we just made a pair of earrings, guys. Okay, so guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Okay.